Jeg kan bare høre at det er syre akkurat nå. Altså.
De kan bare hoppe fra greien.
Japp. Fishing.
Jeg må føle at det ikke er noe her.
Kompis, jeg griner ikke. Hva faen sier du?
Yo. Chill, man. We're just fishing, hey? Fishing. The guys are losing their patience. They want to get a fish and then, you know, eat it, which is cool, you know? And I'll just be a bystander and just watch and make sure they are following the rules, you know? So, yeah. So yeah, basically we're just fishing, you know. There's hard to beat this, you know. Being out in the nature and just fish and just chill. You can hear the birds chirping and stuff, and it's great. It's quiet. It's all natural, you know. It's hard to beat it, honestly. It's the best. Now I understand what the outdoor boys are doing, man. I understand. What up? What's up? What is up, man? Yeah.
Ja, men det er ikke viktig.
Det er egentlig veldig mye vann der noen ganger. Masse litt.
Nice. Vet du. Well, basically, the filming I've done is like from yesterday and the day before. Just getting a bunch of clips together, and yeah, we have been like fishing, biking, swimming, like everything. So it's been like a bunch of different activities we've done. So it's fun. It's good to do all those things and not be in a school training routine all the time, and just be a bit free in the nature. So yeah, I will probably make this video and put it out today, which is Monday, and then I will get back and then I will train and get a haircut and all that good stuff. So yeah, can't wait. Probably gonna do more hiking, biking and stuff today as well. But yeah, it will be some clips, not too much, but you know, I will have to do better with the recording quality, but yeah, takes time. But yeah, it's early in the morning, gonna go and eat and all that stuff, and we're gonna go for a early swim, and it's super cold, so yeah. When we went swimming yesterday and it was so cold. So yeah. We'll see if I make more clips or whatever, but this will probably be the last video or the last clip of the video. So you never regret going on trips like this or traveling and stuff. You can hear the birds as well chirping. Amazing. Yeah, you never regret those things if everything goes to plan, you know. So do those stuff, you know. If you want to do those, go do it. Yeah, still gains. Hope you had a good day. Hope you will have a good day. I wish you the best. Be kind, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.